So this question here shows an important sentence for College Board and the SAT. Which of the following equivalent forms of our function shows the thing we're talking about right now as a coefficient or base? Or sometimes you'll hear the sentence, it needs to show up as a constant or coefficient. It doesn't matter. All of these wordings basically mean which of the following forms of our equation show the thing we're talking about right now as one of the numbers in all of this. That's all it really means. Sometimes it may ask you which equation shows the vertex, or which one shows the x-intercept, or which one shows the square root, or whatever they're talking about. But whatever number they're talking about, it needs to appear in one of the equations. So what they're talking about here is f of 1. That's kind of a scary thing because what does it mean with so many different equations? But you need to realize that in the wording, we're already being told that all these equations are equivalent. So all of these are mathematically the same as each other. And that's comforting because for f of 1, if we didn't realize that they're all equivalent, we may end up plugging in 1 for all 4 of these equations, and that would be more work. But as long as we plug it in for one of them, we've got it because all of these equations are all known to already be equal to each other. So let's just do it for answer choice A as a sample. We have 50, 1.6 to the 2. 1.6 squared is 2.56, and we're going to multiply it by 50. And when you multiply it, you get 128. So which of these equivalent forms of this equation shows the 128, which is f of 1, showing up as a coefficient or base? That's super easy. That's this one. This one has a 128 in it, and so our answer here is C.